Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use ashwagandha root powder updated. Begin by choosing a reliable powder and measuring an appropriate dose, such as 1/2 teaspoon or a labeled milligram amount. Mix into warm milk, tea, or a smoothie to mask bitterness and improve absorption. Start with a low dose and track effects for 2 weeks, adjusting gradually while noting sleep, stress, and energy changes in a journal. Warm and friendly tip time. Always measure ashwagandha carefully and mix it into a carrier like whole milk or a small amount of oil to boost uptake. Use lukewarm liquids rather than boiling water to protect delicate constituents. If you prefer smoothies, add it toward the end of blending to preserve freshness. Keep a consistent routine and record how you feel after each week to fine-tune timing and dose over several weeks. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical wellness guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes hands-free cleaning silly easy, and it can free up minutes for meditation or making your ashwagandha latte. I love the convenience and humorously blame it for my spotless spice shelf. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Safety first. Check with your clinician if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking prescription drugs, especially thyroid or blood pressure medications. Many users find evening dosing supports sleep, while others prefer low morning amounts for steady energy. Start low and observe for side effects such as mild stomach upset or drowsiness. If any concerning symptoms occur, stop use and seek medical advice to ensure safe, ongoing use tailored to your health profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.